And this is one of the easier ways to do it. We tried another one, but it was very shaky and very hard to center.
Yeah, I mean it was either this or this, but I don't know which one. Maybe this was better.
But then you know how it is.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Anyways, let's just do this. We'll focus on Mia.
No. Okay. Yes. So what we do during this nighttime thing is we talk about what we've done and what we're going to do tomorrow. And tomorrow, today we went to Moulin Rouge. I mean,
Notre Dame. Moulin Rouge is tomorrow.
Yes, Moulin Rouge is tomorrow. Or the part of the city where Moulin Rouge used to be. I don't know how much is left now. And maybe we will go to the Eiffel Tower in the afternoon. We don't know yet.
Yeah. And this is Mia's bed. I have to tell you something funny. I'm really bad at making my own